Hello, my name is Zacharias Andrew Caldwell, Zach for short. I've been living in Urbana, Ohio for all my life. When I was 9 years old, I left the States to go live overseas in the United Arab Emirates. That was because of my father's job. In the picture, you can see me and my little sister behind me. This is a while ago, obviously. That building behind me is the tallest building in the world. I am working at Sparky's Pizzeria now. I have been there for 2 years, and as soon as I graduate high school, I will be moving to a dispatch job. I'm getting a dispatch job because it is in my field where I want to be working, because my job that I really want is a law enforcement officer, because my brother-in-law is the police sergeant here in Urbana, and I am looking forward to working with him. My degree, I'm getting a simple associative arts degree. It's easier to get the job on the force if you have a degree, and you get a little bit more starting pay if you have a degree. That's all. Thank you.